In the last couple of weeks, I've been getting a whole lot of messages from people in my community and here on YouTube asking me what is the current update on Fiverr, what service is it selling on Fiverr currently, and what can I sell on Fiverr currently. So all of this has got me thinking, and today I'm just going to walk you through a particular tool that you can use to identify what is currently selling in the market, not just on Fiverr, not just on Upwork, generally online, what is currently selling, what's currently in demand around your service, around your skill. So instead of you just going over to Fiverr, Upwork, and just set up what you think you know that you want to sell as a service, you have to make a simple research with this particular tool that I'm going to show you right now in this video, so you know what is currently selling around that thing that you want to set up. So this can help you position yourself in a market where you get seen and you can get hired if you craft your profile in a good way that captivates buyers, which I'm going to show you alongside in this video. So all you need to do right now is to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to use the first link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp community where we share updates, ask questions, and all of those stuff easy peasy before coming over right here on YouTube. So if all of this being said, guys, I want to assume that you've subscribed to this channel so we can get to 10,000 subscribers before this month runs out. I know we can do it, and let's do it. Start from you. Subscribe now and let's get on screen while I walk you through this tool that can help you radar the market, tell you what is going on, and also share with you what you can currently set up around your service that you are going to get order for. And now you can understand how the market works, what you need to set up. You don't just set up random gig, and I'm going to show you how to craft a good profile with this particular tool as well. So all of this being said, guys, let's dive on screen. Now coming over right here on my screen, the very first thing that you are going to see is GigIQ.net, right? You see, GigIQ is a tool that is made for freelancers to help them with their online journey on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and other stuff like that. So which I'm going to show you. I've made a full tutorial exploring this, but there's still a particular new tool that is on GigIQ now that I want you to leverage on for this particular research that we're about to make. So all you need to do right now is to click on get started right here, and once you click on get started, you are going to fill in your information. As you can see, I'm logging into my dashboard and I'm on the pro version. Let's show the pricing so you know this is a paid tools first. I can get to start with the package of $4, $9, and $19, which is the one that I'm currently on, and the agency package. But I will advise, if you are doing a whole lot on Fiverr or Upwork, always go for the pro version or the standard version so you can get to do more for yourself, because this is just going to limit your ability to what you can do. But still, you can do everything that I want to show you right now in this video, but you will have a limit. So probably go for the starter package or the pro package for your own good. Right now, after subscribing to the platform, you have access to all of these tools that is here. So the one that we want to do to know what is currently selling in the market is the market radar. Right, so here we have three things that we are going to do. We are going to research our niche. We are going to check maybe the service that we want to sell is currently trending or maybe is in demand. Right, you can see I've tested this out a whole long time ago, and also is a great tool, like I said. So we can see we have the trend radar and we have the demand checker, and once we check all of these three things, all we need to do next is to come over right here to the generator tab, where we are going to generate a gig for this particular service that we are just about to find out. Now I'm going to come over to Market Radar now. All I need to do on Market Radar now is to put in the service that I want to sell. So if you are selling anything like video editing, website creation, Shopify design, Shopify sales, creative content writing, sales copy, and all of those stuff, all you need to do is just put it right there. So for me, I'm selling sales copywriting, and that's what I'm just going to put right here. I'm just going to put in sales copywriting. All right, copywriting. Now after sales copywriting, I'm just going to hit search. So now it's going to scan the markets for me, and it's going to tell me what's currently going on in the sales copywriting market. And if it's about you, all you need to do in this case is just to put in your service. And if you are doing more than one service, once that one is done, put in the second one, put in the third one, put in the fourth one, then you can get results, and you know what you are currently doing and what you are set to do in the market. Right now, as you can see, we have all the data, and you can see niche reports, niche research reports, and you can see right here now currently sales copywriting is high in volume and the competition is very, very high. And you can see right here sales page copywriting is still high, and every other one, and you can see the medium one right here, which is the sales funnel copywriter. the search volume is medium and the competition is medium, which means we can leverage on this, and you can see the other details, and you can see the underserved ones that you can basically pick up, which is SaaS sales copy, and you can see fintech and cryptocurrency sales copy, B2B sales copywriting, health and wellness sales copy, video sales and script writing. You can see these are other niches that you can leverage on aside this one that is top buyer keywords. Like this is what are buyers searching for, but you can see the underserved one. So now, assuming you want to create gig for any of these ones, it's still other sales copy, you can basically click on this create gig. It's going to take you over to the generator page, but we still want to check, assuming we want to settle for this SaaS products sales copy or this particular one. So if I click on SaaS sales copy and I want to do that, I'm just going to check the trend. And if I want to do trend for sales copywriting, let's do trend for sales copywriting. So it's going to check the trend for sales copywriting, then we check trend for the SaaS copywriting too. Now we know what we want to sell. We want to be sure maybe this is currently trending and maybe it's what people are buying and maybe people are looking for, right? We don't just want to get our gig up. We want something that actually work and stay there to make us money, not just to keep our profile alive. Now, once this is done, we are going to have a result where we can get to see the data, the analytics of this particular gig, and we can get to pick the one that we want to use for our service. So this is going to help us in a whole long time that we are going to understand the market. And anytime you want to set up a gig, it's very, very easy to come over right here. Then you can basically research about your gig before you set up your profile. Now you don't need to worry about anything. Like I said, this platform can help you create your gig, the gig description, the title and everything. So you can just copy and paste, and even you can create gig image for you. So you can basically just copy everything, download it, then paste it on Fiverr. Now you can see we have the trend right here. As you can see, the AI assisted copywriting is explosive, and you can see the one that is very, very in high demand now, which is interactive and personalized copied. And you can see this other one, which is voice search and audio copy optimization. I can check this. You can see other ones that is high. You can see the ones that is explosive. So if I check this particular one that we copy earlier, which is SaaS sales copy, and we are going to check the markets for that. So we want to be sure of what that does. Maybe it's currently trading, or maybe it's explosive, or it's just growing. Now once we have the result for this, then we go over to the demand. So demand is going to finalize everything for us. It's going to tell us maybe that particular keyword is currently in demand, or we are going to make some adjustments to it. Now once we pass through this 3 check, the next thing we are going to do is to go over to the generator tab, so we can generate gig for this particular stuff. Now it's something basically simple. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything is just a click, copy and paste from here to Fiverr, from here to Upwork, right? Now it's just something basically simple. I'm going to show you how to do that if you are doing it for Fiverr and if you are doing it for Upwork. So if you are enjoying this video and you are getting best value of this video, just drop a comment in the comment section, like this video and share with your friends, so all of us can grow together. And don't forget, let's get to 10,000 subscribers on this channel before this month runs out. And if you are facing any challenge about anything online, you can basically use the first link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp community, where you can be in touch with me, connect with other people, and you can get to scale up together in the online space. And don't forget to drop a comment about anything that you are facing or the kind of video that you want to see next on this channel. Now it's done, and you can see we have this right here. You can see AI and MCP agents protocol. You can see now is explosive. So these are like some niches under SaaS. As you can see right here, we have the vertical SaaS messaging, and we have AI search optimization copy, which is very, very growing at the moment, and other stuff like that. So if you pick up any of these, you are good to go. Now the next thing I'm going to check is the it's going to be the demand checker. So I'm just going to see if you have a gig already on Fiverr and you are wondering why it's not selling, why it's not doing that. So all you need to do is to check the demand, and you can paste in your gig description right there. So I'm just going to click on this, check demand for this particular one, and it's going to show you the details of our gig and everything. So we are checking the demand now. So from here we move to the generator of the gig, so we can scale up ASAP in the online space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Right now we are going to wait for this a little bit. So once this is loading up, we are just going to wait for it to analyze the market, give us the what is trending and the demand of this particular service before we set it up. Now you can see the demand is 68/100, which is demand status stable, market saturation which is high. So this SaaS sales copy is market saturated, but the demand is stable. Now let's go over to our history right here. Let's check what the trend said about it. Let's check what the trend said about it. I'm looking for that. So let me just go down and check what the trend says about this particular SaaS. Let's check the niche research. Okay, it's going to be niche research. You can see it said, okay, this is underserved. Yeah, it's categorized it as underserved. So now we are good to go. So all I need to do now is to understand this. I'm just going to see this. So AI assisted conversion rate copywriting, CRO copywriting, which is 88/100 in demand. Wow. And you can see SaaS. You see, like giving us the keyword SaaS email sequence and nurturing campaign, which is like I can create an account and use this as first gig, second gig, third gig, and fourth. Okay, we have 3. So we have like 3 gigs for this particular service. Now all I need to do now, I'm very much interested with this particular second one and the first one too. So all I need to do is to just copy this. Then I'm just going to come over to build this gig, which is going to take me to the generator. Now under this generator, this is where you select. Maybe you are ranking it, you are doing it on Upwork or Fiverr. So for me, I'm working on Fiverr, so I'm just going to paste it right there. And once I paste it, so it's going to identify your niche and it's going to ask you some question. It said, what type of SaaS companies or industry do you primarily write? So I'm just going to choose all type, right? So that is very good. And you can see, you can pick, if you are niche down to a particular service, you can basically pick that. And right now I'm just going to analyze and show output. Now once I click on that, it's going to analyze the market for that, so it can understand how to position me for that particular gig and service. Right now, once this load up, we are just going to click a button that's going to generate all of our gig for us. You can see right now everything is ready, where we can have our gig title, gig description, profile bio, and top keyword. And even if we want to generate gig image, we can basically do that right here. So all I need to do now is to click on generate all. Now it's going to give me 3 gig title and it's going to recommend the one that I'm going to pick. For me, as you can see, I will write SaaS image sequence that convert trial to paid customer. So one thing that you can do after giving you this kind of thing is to add some metrics. Maybe in 24 hours I will write 50 email sequence. You understand, just add some number so to increase the readability and the reach of your gig with optimization. Right now you can see right there we have the gig description, which is this. And if you notice, probably maybe the gig description is very long. All you need to do right now is to basically come over right here. So I'm going to wait for this to get done. Okay, it's done already. So I can basically come over to the summarizer right here. So for Fiverr, I'm just going to paste this right here. You can see I have the whole long list, and all I need to do right now, I'm just going to remove this hook and everything. Right, so once I click on this, I'm just going to click on optimize for Fiverr. Now it's going to rewrite that gig description in the same format, but now fits in Fiverr requirements. So you don't have excess words, you don't have anything. So you can see it's calculating your ranking score and everything, finalizing your optimization content, and here you have everything ready. So now you can see the ranking is 10 detected, ranking keyword is 10 detected, conversion score 9 out of 100. I mean, this should be a mistake, it should be 9 out of 10, and the ranking score should be 9 out of 10 because we have all of this check. So I think this should be a mistake. You can basically tell that because this is calculating 10. Right now you can basically copy this as your gig title, then your gig description rather, then you are good to go. Now all you need to do right now is to come back right here. As you can see, you have your profile bio, then your gig, your keyword that you are going to use in your search tag. Now if you want to design a gig image for this particular gig, all you need to do right now is just copy this, then you come over right here to the studio, then right here you can paste in your gig title and you are going to generate the gig image ASAP. Now once you click on this, it's going to load up. That's going to take about like 2-3 minutes or probably like 1 to 2 minutes. So it's going to generate the picture for you that you can use on your gig image. Now this is how GigIQ works and how it can help you. And if you have a particular Fiverr account that is not getting order, is not ranking yet, you don't know what is wrong with it, all you need to do is to come over right here to the audit section. Now you come over right here, you are going to click on the platform, then you click on paste content. You copy and paste your gig title, your gig description, your search tag, your profile bio. You can see this is optional, but this too is very, very essential. Then once you run the audit, it's going to tell you what is going on with your gig and give you another rewritten version that you can swap the current one for, so you can get to scale up in the online space. So this is all I have for you right now in this video. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then guys, be at peace.